How to install previous Nvidia drivers and downgrade to the older Nvidia drivers version. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can install previous Nvidia drivers or downgrade to the older Nvidia drivers version. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, you have to open up your device manager, click on the search bar, and in the search bar type in device manager. Once you have opened up your device manager, you have to click on display adapter and then expand it. Here you have to select your Nvidia driver, right click on it and head towards properties. Under properties, go to the drivers tab. On the driver, there you'll have an option that says rollback driver. So here you have to click on rollback driver in order to install the previous Nvidia driver. But if this button is not available for you, then you have to click on update driver. Click on search automatically for drivers. And this is your installed. But if you want to get your older version, then you have to click on browse my computers or browse for the drivers on my computer, and here select let me pick from a list of available drivers. So under this list you will find your older version of your Nvidia drivers, so you can install it from there. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.